Is the Ethereum price about to self-destruct exactly a week from now? Because what we have seen recently for Ethereum is just absolutely crazy. We have printed a 20% pump towards the upside in just a day for Ethereum. Really crazy what's going on right now. People are hyping Ethereum up, and that is because people are speculating that an Ethereum ETF is about to get approved in the next couple of days. Hence, we are seeing this absolutely crazy price action right now for Ethereum, and that is why I am really excited to talk about the recent price action and discuss what we could expect next for the Ethereum price and much more. So you definitely would not want to miss this update video I have right now for the Ethereum price. And to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But yes, as you guys can see in the charts right now, something really massive just happened recently for Ethereum, and that is we recently broke above this resistance trend line, which is very big news for Ethereum, because this resistance trend line has been holding the price down for ages now. Whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, the price ends up getting rejected, and then we continue moving back towards the downside. We had another rally right here, got rejected, moved down, and then we kept repeating the process of this bearish price action. So great news to you Ethereum holders. If you're holding Ethereum right now, we've got some great news, because we recently broke above this level. We recently broke above this resistance trend line right here, and that is extremely massive news for Ethereum, because now we have broken the bearish structure, and now it looks like we're forming a bullish structure for Ethereum by simply breaking out of this level. So looking good in the daily time frame. We even had this massive pump towards the upside, again due to the speculations of an Ethereum ETF. So if you're wondering why we're pumping right now, that is because of this big news right here. Ethereum ETF confirmed Van Eck Spot Ether ETF listed by DTCC. Over here we have another news about the Ethereum ETF, and then right here you guys can see the Ethereum ETF will be approved by May 31. There's a bet that the Ethereum ETF will be approved on May 31, and that there was a 10% chance of it being approved in May 31, but the odds skyrocketed to nearly 75% within hours. So people are getting hyped up, people are getting bullish for Ethereum. The odds are currently around 70%, meaning bettors could earn nearly 50% returns if the event occurs. So if the ETF gets approved, people are speculating a 50% pump towards the upside. So if you're going to look at the charts right now and place another 50% pump towards the upside from the price we're at right now, that would place Ethereum at around the price target that is at $5,600. Really crazy. That's a 50% pump. That's what people are speculating once the Ethereum ETF gets approved, and that would place Ethereum at 5.6k. So definitely looking interesting for Ethereum. That would send us above the previous all-time high, the previous cycle all-time high. Crazy things are going on right now, and I'll definitely closely monitor the charts in the next couple of days, and I'll be sure to update you guys on what's going on. Now let's talk about my long-term view for Ethereum and my long-term price targets. So again, like I've said in my previous videos, on other altcoins, I believe that we are still in the beginning of the bull cycle, and I still believe we are still early in the game, especially for altcoins. For Bitcoin, I believe that we are in the middle of its cycle, but for altcoins, I still believe that we are early for altcoins, especially for Ethereum, and I believe that in the next few weeks, we could see the next leg up for Ethereum. Right now, we're seeing the next leg up play for Ethereum, actually, but I believe that this can continue until we touch this next major resistance, where the previous all-time high is located at, and that is at around 4.6k. But in order to do that, in order to reach that next target, we must first break above this recent swing high right here, because this will also act as resistance. So once we successfully see Ethereum break above the previous swing high right here and flip this to support, we could move towards the next target right here where the previous all-time high is located at. Again, that is at around 4.8k. So for my long-term price targets and for my bull market target for Ethereum, I'm expecting Ethereum to reach the price levels of around $7,000 until $11,000. And $11,000 is my maximum target for Ethereum in this bull cycle in the channel. And $7,000 is our conservative bull run target. In the short term, there's nothing to worry about. The price action is looking extremely bullish. Just be warned though that there is a major resistance right here, and this is where the swing high is located at. So if you're planning on buying Ethereum right now, just be extremely careful because we're approaching a major resistance right here, and the chances of us getting rejected right here is also high. So invest with caution. Also, if you want to trade Ethereum and altcoins, be sure to trade them on Bluefin and get a chance to win bonuses and even a Rolex just by depositing and trading on Bluefin. My links are in the description. And also, we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market and position wisely. So if you're not in this group yet, be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.